Welcome to our channel. Today we how to subscribe to OpenAI smart home integrations via Zapier, full guide step by step clearly. Navigate to the Zapier website and log in to your account. If you don't have an account, create one by following the prompts on the site. Once logged in, go to the Make a Zap button, usually located in the upper right corner. Click on it to begin creating a new automation. In the trigger search bar, type OpenAI. Select OpenAI from the list of applications that appears. Next, choose the specific trigger event you want to use. This could be a new message, a request, or any other relevant action. Follow the prompts to connect your OpenAI account to Zapier. You may need to provide API keys or other authentication details. Once your account is connected, configure the trigger settings according to your needs. Click Continue to save your trigger configuration. Now, you will set up the action step of your Zap. In the action search bar, type the name of the smart home device or application you want to connect. Choose the application from the drop-down list. Next, select the specific action you want this application to perform. This could be turning on a device, sending a notification, or any other available actions. Connect your smart home application to Zapier by providing the necessary credentials. Configure the action settings based on your preferences. After you've completed this step, click Continue. You'll see a summary of your Zap with the trigger and action you've set. Click on Test and Continue to make sure everything works properly. If the test is successful, you'll receive a confirmation message. Your Zap is now set up, but before activating it, review your settings to ensure accuracy. Once satisfied, click on the Turn on Zap button. Your OpenAI smart home integration is now live, and you can start using it immediately. Keep monitoring your Zap for any adjustments or improvements you may want to implement in the future. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.